Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a very healthy chicken soup recipe that will be loved by everyone in the house, especially kids and the oldies. During cold weather, this is a very good recipe to beat that. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here about 4 to 5 medium-sized pieces of chicken, and I'm using the pieces that are not necessarily too good to eat in any curry, so more with the bones. 2 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, about half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 2.5 cups of water. Here I am taking a pressure cooker and we are going to cook the meat in a pressure cooker. So add all the chicken pieces to the cooker, add the piece of ginger, add the garlic pieces, turmeric powder, salt, and 2 cups of water. Now give this a good stir like that, and we are going to cover and cook this for about 3 to 4 whistles on a medium-high flame. Now the cooker has cooled down and I have opened it. Let's give it a stir and make sure the chicken is nicely cooked. We have not used a single drop of oil. All the oil that you see is from the chicken. So give it a mix and we are going to grind it in the grinder. So add all the chicken pieces first to the grinder. So now the chicken pieces are well grinded. We'll add some chicken broth from the cooker. So add about a cup of chicken broth. And again grind it to a fine liquid like this. Even though the liquid looks nice and fine, there are going to be small pieces of bones in there. So I'm going to take this mixture and strain it. So add all the broth as well and the chicken mixture and strain it. Not necessarily, straining it really hard. Do it very gently. We don't want any bones in the soup. Continue straining it till you kind of get that leftovers and have this fine liquid ready. Now we are going to give it a quick mix just like that. Notice the consistency of the chicken soup is nice and thick. Now we are going to put the flame to medium high and we are going to put this strained mixture on the gas. If you feel the consistency is too thick, add some water. So I have added about half a cup of water. Now add the pepper powder. Give it a good mix. We are going to boil the chicken soup for about 5 to 7 minutes. So start noticing the bubbles forming up. After 7 minutes, switch off the flame and garnish it with some coriander leaves. The chicken soup is ready. Chicken soup is always served hot, so take a bowl and serve it. As mentioned earlier, this is a no-oil chicken soup recipe that will be loved by kids and oldies, and especially to beat that cold weather. Hope you liked today's recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.